Hey everyone, it's me. And so I got a package in the mail it's my Christmas present from the Webkinz Kids. So I'm gonna open it. And sorry if I sound weird, I just woke up, even though it's like noon. But I had a dance last night, and it went from 9 till midnight, so it was really long. And then I didn't get to sleep until 4. And I'm also kind of sick. So yeah, and I have no idea what she got me, so it's going to be a surprise. So yeah, I'm really excited. Oh my gosh! She got me the black wool! Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's so cute! And then there's this shipping stuff. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much, Bestie. Oh my gosh, I love him so much. Here's his W and his tag. It's not gonna it'll probably be backwards. Yeah, but here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. And here's his butt tag. Sorry, it's backwards. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe to the Webkinz Kids because she's awesome. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!